Hello, this is Suresh Gupta from Nutan Tech Solutions. Today I am submitting my app to Play Store and I am preparing this video to explain the features which my app offers to the end users. So this app is primarily built for the business promotions, for the insurance and marketing professionals. And the core feature of this app is like the app can be used as a default phone handler, as well as it identifies the caller ID and send the SMS automatically. But this SMS is sent through third party bulk SMS gateway. It doesn't use device level SMS capability. So to meet the core features of this app, we have used the permissions like read call logs, read contacts, read external storage, write external storage. So I want to give you a demo of the app, like how it starts. So let's say when you launch, user downloads the application and he launches the application. This is the first screen comes, it's a welcome screen. Then move on to the next. Again, some business slogans comes here. And then on the third screen, we alert the user, do we want to set it as a default phone handler? So if user cancel or set as default, let's say if user set as default, it works as a default phone handler. If user cancel also, in that case it goes to the next screen. And then let's say I am doing set as a default, and even you cancel, it goes to the next screen, it gives the alert. Now in the next screen user can agree or disagree. So let's say I set as default. Then we are very prominently displaying the message to the user, this message, and seeking user permission. If user disagree and clicks on the disagree button, then app closes, the app doesn't work. So if user, now I again redo that, go to the third screen, I set as default, and then when user says that yes I agree, he wants to allow us to read the call logs, use as a default phone handler, he agrees that. Then it goes to the login page or the registration page. Here user can register, and after registration we do a business verification. Once we are satisfied, then we activate the credentials. So once the account is activated, user can log in. Let's say I am logging in here, 200723. Okay, so I log in here. So then we ask for the permissions here. So allow to access the contacts, allow. Make and manage phone calls, allow. Then access your phone call logs, allow. And storage, allow. After this promotional message here. So what user can do once we come to the dashboard, and these are the core features, like where user can add his prospects, add the customers, get all the data related to customer inquiry here. Customer can send bulk SMS using the bulk SMS gateway. Customer can import the data, and the core feature here you see another one is the SMS log. This SMS logs is nothing but whenever somebody is making a call to the user, then user can configure a default SMS, and that message will be automatically sent. So I can just demo you that quick feature here. You see, one moment. So I'm making a call. Okay, and we have provision like we can make it on or off. So I have made auto SMS on. I decline the call, and then see the message has gone already. So in this device also this promotional message is set. So this is gone, and from my device also similar message is sent here, right? So now I come back to the app and go to the SMS log. and then you can see that that number is populated here. So this number is populated and it indicates that an automatic message was sent as per the user choice and user confirmation. And we have given the provision where user can add the contacts, user can make the call, user can send the SMS. Again, user can send the SMS through the bulk SMS gateway only. No number is, we are not using any SMS level permissions, not asking for that. So this is the fourth time I am submitting my app for the approval, because I had gone through the policies and what permissions required, what support documents we have to give. So hope I have understood your requirement and prepared this video, and I have also given clearly the instructions like what permissions we are taking and what are the core features. So I want to summarize. This app uses the core feature of the default phone handler. If user allows, if user doesn't allow, then it closes the app. Same way, a user has to allow for the read the caller ID. It doesn't agree, then close the app and user can uninstall the app here. So it's purely for their business promotions, and which we are very prominently communicating to the user. So I request you to kindly review and accept and approve the app to go live. Thank you very much. Thank you.